Hey everyone, it's Leonette. Welcome back to DIY Beauty on Purpose. My name is Leonette, and if this is your first time here, welcome. Alright, today I am working on this vanity slash desk, and I found it on Marketplace. It was only $10, and obviously it has seen better days, but for $10, I thought I can make something super cute out of it. And I'm so excited. I'm going to turn it into a vanity slash activity desk. Alright, so first thing is first, of course, I want to make sure everything is nice and clean. The surface needs to be nice and ready for paint. I am using my crud cutter, and I'm using, in this case, it's a old wet clean sock. So I'm going to clean the inside and the outside. Actually the inside was a lot dirtier than the outside, but I don't know why they had it looked like almost like coffee stain. I don't know, but regardless, I'm giving everything a good clean. And I'm also filling here the back, because where the hinges had come off, it ripped the wood off. So I'm just going to fill it in. Now I know this is towards the back of the desk, but I want to make sure it's nice and filled. I also filled the holes from the handle. It was a faux handle. It doesn't have a drawer, so I didn't see a purpose to have it. So I filled them in, and I'm sanding the excess putty after it had dried. I will be replacing the hinges. The hinges that it had were very tiny, and I just didn't think it would hold up as good as larger ones. So I am using my drill and a drill bit. I'm going to pre-drill some holes to make sure that the wood does not split when I put in these screws. These hinges I found at the hardware store, and they're pretty inexpensive. You can get them like in a pack of 2 or multiple ones. So I already had them on hand. I bought them for a previous project that I didn't use, so I'm just using them for this one now. Alright, so if you guys have seen any of my videos, you know that I really love chalk paint. However, for this project, I decided not to use chalk paint. I'm not going to be distressing it. So this is a Behr interior paint. It's a good quality one, so it's one of their higher ends. The coverage is amazing, and the color, oh my goodness. What a delicious color this is. This is their Mossy Bench. It is like a teal, greenish, grayish tone. I don't even know how to explain it, but it's beautiful. It reminds me of the Apothecary by DIY Paint, chalk paint that I have used on many of my projects. But this one is my first time using it, and I love it. The coverage is great, and I just loved it. So I'm going to do 2 coats on the entire desk on the outside of it. I am now replacing the top of the vanity part there with my drill, again just screwing in the opposite side of the hinges. Okay, so after I had replaced the hinges on the vanity, I decided to switch them to the outside. That is because it had lifted up the top, so it wasn't very smooth. So one top to the other, it wasn't smooth because it had that extra hinge part that was making it higher. So I changed it to the top. It opens fine. You just see the hinge on the back, but it's fine because that's going to be the part that's going to be facing. I decided to paint the inside of the vanity in a white. This is regular interior white paint. Now, the way I had, or the way I imagine this vanity slash desk to be used is that the middle portion, so the middle opening, is going to be used as a vanity. So hairbrushes, hair things can go in there. The two side ones could be used for craft items, so crayons, pencils, things like that. At least that's what I envision. All right, so I decided to use a stencil, and to the front, this is where the handle was, but I removed it and I filled in the holes, and I added this little cute stencil because I thought it would add a nice little touch. And then I also lined the boxes of the inside with contact paper. It'll keep it cleaner, and it just gives it a finished look. And then I sealed everything with a polycrylic in the Minwax, or a Minwax polycrylic in the clear satin finish. So after everything was dry, I decided to add 3 hooks to the side of the desk. Reason why is because I'm going to add some cute little tins from the Dollar Tree that will allow it for additional storage of maybe crayons or markers or pencils, or maybe even hairbrushes. But I think it would add an extra little touch to the side to add, if it's going to be for like a little girl or something like that, so that it could be used for additional storage. Alright guys, so this is what the vanity desk looked like, and this is what it looks like now. I am so in love with this cutie desk. I think is going to look absolutely beautiful in a little girl's room or a grown woman's room, my all that means. But if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, I invite you to do so right underneath this video, and I hope you have a great day.